Insurance Office of America appoints new leaders for personal lines and select businesses teams. Longwood FLA, April 3, 2024. Insurance Office of America IOA is pleased to announce the appointment of T. Kwan Dai to managing partner of Select Business and Personal Lines and Sheila Serrano to senior director of operations of Select Business and Personal Lines. The elevation of good leaders is always a welcome part of any company growth. We are thrilled to promote Tiquan and Sheila to these new roles. Their experience, industry knowledge, and proven track record make them ideal to lead and guide IOA's Insurance Office of America's Select Business and Personal Lines Division to even greater levels of success in the future, said Chief Operating Officer Bob Peters. Taekwon joined IOA Insurance Office of America in 2019, bringing his expectational skills in building and nurturing relationships with clients and stakeholders. As managing partner, he will play a crucial role in leading IOA's strategic scale initiatives for both personal lines and select business while ensuring the continued satisfaction of companies' valued clients and partners. Sheila joined IOA in 2010 and has since played a pivotal role in driving transformation change for select business operations. Her strategic thinking, strong operational skills, and commitment to customer service have significantly commitment to customer and service have significantly contributed to the achievements of the division. In her new role, Sheila will oversee the operation of both select business and personal lines, ensuring that Insurance Office of America's IOA's customer continue to receive outstanding service. About Insurance Office of America. Insurance Office of America IOA is the fourth largest privately held insurance brokerage in United States US. Founded in 1988. IOA Insurance Office of America is a recognized leader in providing property and casualty, employee benefits, and personal lines insurance and risk management solution as well as insurtech innovations. Headquartered in Longwood, Florida, of the part of the Greater Or- Orlando community. IOA has more than 30 100 associates located in our 60 offices in the US, United Kingdom, in California. DBA IOA Insurance Service.